Hi, this is Don, Cowboy Biker Adventures. I want to give you a riding tour of Bahia Honda State Park here in the Lower Keys. This is in Big Pine Key, and this is US 1 right behind you. This is a 360 video, so feel free to rotate your view. I know very little about this park, so let's find out together. I have already paid the entrance fee. It's $4.50 for a single person. And it's a little breezy today. This park goes on both sides of the highway. Thank you. And it's got 3 campgrounds, 2 of them for RVs. One of them I assume is tent camping. I'm not sure where that is. But unfortunately, I've got to turn my hat around whether I want to or not. Let's go this way first. Loggerhead Beach. This is Marina boat ramp. And there are several beaches. So look at the color of the water. That's the Atlantic Ocean there. You just gotta love the color of the water though. This is one way to get to Bayside Campground and also the other campground, it says. So I'm gonna go this way though. This is Loggerhead Beach. And look at the color of the water. Isn't that just gorgeous? Oversized vehicle and trailer parking. Back in there. May have to check that out on the way back. And they got a store and you can rent kayaks and, you know, various things. This is the marina, but it's also a big beach. See restrooms. You can walk over there to the old bridge trail. And I'm not sure what this building is up here. Let's see. This is Sand and Sea Nature Center. Just got to look up and make sure my camera's going. Remember, you can look all around, up and down too. This is a big swimming beach here. They don't allow kayaks or paddle boards in here. You can see it's a yellow flag day, medium hazard. And you're looking at the Gulf of Mexico out there. Other side of that bridge, at least. And there's the marina. It is a beautiful place. I couldn't get in. I tried. Even with wandering labs, I could not get into this campground. And I tried really hard. That's that gift shop, snack bar, and dive shop. Let's go check out more of the marina here. Meantime, you can look at the water to the right. But I'm going to the left. I got my camera up high, so hopefully you can see more. I cannot drive through the actual campgrounds because I'm not a camping resident. This will take you to the campground. Matter of fact, I can do that right through here. And you can see the campground gates to 2 campgrounds up there. And I'm not going to break the rules. They're just typical campgrounds. If you see my video for, say, when I was at John Pennekamp, you would have seen it, what they're like. There is another one on the towards the other end here, and you will get a good, I think you'll see most of it because I got the camera high. But look at that water. Isn't that just gorgeous? But you can't say enough. It's kind of in between. It's going low, the tide's going low, but it won't be totally low here for another, I think, 2 or 3 hours. I messed up getting behind this. They only go about 20. Of course, speed limit's 15, so it shouldn't be 20. Just trying not to make the video any longer than I have to. But it's a partly cloudy day, but it's gorgeous. It's probably 87 degrees out here. Of course, with the ocean breeze, it don't really feel bad. Well, one good positive thing about it, you get a longer view of the ocean out there. Remember, you can rotate your view. But I would have loved to get in this park. I think the coveted spots is this campground we're getting to. If you park right on the, you know, real close to the edge of the water, it looks like to me. You got a wonderful view. I think basically I'm looking east right now. Look at that water. This can't get, oh, the first glimpse of RVs. And I can't go through the campground as I stated, so hopefully you can see it with my camera high. You can get a view. These are pretty small spots in here. That's part of the reason why I couldn't get in. Can't see much there. And that's some kind of maintenance stuff there, or where people live and work here. But there you can see more of the campground. Maybe if I pause here, you can see more. There's no one behind me. There you go. Just can't get over that color of that water. If it wasn't for the color of the water, I wouldn't think Florida Keys is that big a deal. But the color of that water makes it all worthwhile. It really does. Now we're going to come up on 2 more beaches. And the pounding surf. Look at that. Should have brought my swimsuit. is beautiful. Looks like there's some sand too. All right, let's go check out the other beach. And that's US 1 to the left. I flew my drone out here from my campground out in the water. I got about a mile and then it lost communication, came back. But I did get video to somewhere's right in here. And this is as far as you can go, what they would call north. On the way out of the Keys. There you go. Pretty neat. I understand why it's rated high and everybody wants to come out here. I did go to Key West yesterday. I'll have all those videos also. It's a beautiful ride down. I may even release that as a video. But I don't know. If you want to stick around, I got more views here, and I think I'm gonna go back to that beach over there and terminate the video. So if you can stick with me, might be worthwhile because it is beautiful. There's that campground. Well, no access. Well, we don't want to look straight ahead at the road anyway, so you can still look out there at the ocean. See the old bridge out there too. No parking. Trying to give the dunes a rest and let them restore. I don't know anything about the other side of the park. On the other side of US 1. I know nothing about it. But at least the scenery's beautiful. They're actually going the speed limit. I was trying to go faster to make this video shorter. Right or wrong. Matter of fact, we're coming up actually where the entrance is to the park, where the flags are there, where I started the video. But this video is less than 15 minutes, so I got time to make it back to the other beach. At least I hope I do. I try to make these under 18 minutes. these 360 videos here. This will help. That was Sand Spur Beach back there. And here's the turn off to the campgrounds, cabins. People sitting out on the beach right there. And we're coming up on the marina again. The gift shop again, dive shop, snack bar. And of course restrooms and arrows telling you where everybody's at. That's a fairly long bridge there, but that's not the 7-mile bridge. We're about 3 miles going the way out of the Keys for that. So here we are. That's where I'm going to terminate the video. So if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see adventure videos at least once a week and shorts on weekends, be sure to subscribe. So until next time, have a good one.